Today we're out here selling baked goods to raise money for our Pi Beta Phi's Relay for Life team to support the American Cancer Society.
I spend a lot of time walking up and down the concourse, so I'm really going to miss it when I leave. I like the sense of community within the Auburn family.